Hi there. Today I'm going to share with you how we can set up custom JavaScript variable for collecting item name dynamically. Sending item name is an important thing to measure our business. So without further delay, let's get started. For collecting this item name, first we have to select the item name. The item name is hand sanitizer. So select this item name, then click on the right button of the mouse, then inspect, then right click again and copy JS path. Go to console and paste the code over here. So this is the JS code of this item name. Then we need to write something. At first dot inner text, then semicolon. Then if we press the enter button, then we can see the hand sanitizer, the item name. Okay, fine. Let's copy this code again and go to another product. We can paste this code over here. We can see an error message in here. So what is the reason? So to collect dynamically the item name, we need to say something. Again, we can copy this code and paste the code over here. You can see here, this is the product ID. This ID is different for every product. So we can just remove this product ID and now we can press on enter. Now you can see this is the exact item name. So again, we can copy this code and go to the another product page and paste the code over here and then enter. Now you can see the same name, organic face, and this is the same name. So to create the custom JavaScript variable, at first we need to copy this code, then go to Google Tag Manager, then variable, then new, custom JavaScript. Then we need to write something. At first function, then parenthesis, curly braces, then return, then paste the code over here. Give a name here, then save. Now we can preview. Fine, it's connected. Just a second. Now we can visit a product like this one. The view item event should be fired. Okay, it's loading. The view item event fired. Then variable. This is our variable and we can see the handicap red cell is right. Again, we can visit another product. What is the name of this product? Natural olive oil. Okay, fine. Again, view item, and we can see here this is the name of this item and this is our variable. So I hope guys you found this video valuable. If you found this video valuable, then don't forget to subscribe and stay with me. Thanks for today. See you again.